So yeah, today's topic is Twitter Bootstrap front-end framework. We have seen an introduction for Twitter Bootstrap yesterday. Okay, so what it does is, like, these there are a bunch of guys who have written classes. Okay, and they are giving it for free to use. So we download it, include the external style sheet. So it's a style sheet actually. So it has whole bunch of classes. So it's a style sheet, and we are importing it into our website using link href equal to path to source and that tag, and we are using those classes to style it pretty easily. Instead of we writing the custom classes, we can directly use their classes and use it. Okay, so that is Twitter Bootstrap, which we have seen yesterday, the introduction. Now today let's just dig deep into it, like, how can we style the forms, how can we make something mobile responsive, how can we make use of headings and all the stuff. Like, let's see the concepts first, then we go into implementing them. I'll just discuss about the concepts first, like, what is what, then we'll implement it in our website. Okay, and coming to the first part which I was talking, like, wherever you go in offline institutes, they won't talk about this Twitter Bootstrap, because they assume Twitter Bootstrap to be a separate concept. Like, but for me, it should be included in CSS, because whatever we have learned is to have an idea, and whatever we are learning it here in Twitter Bootstrap front-end framework, it should be applied. Okay, fine. So I'll just give a brief of front-end framework. So what a front-end framework mean is, front-end framework is a collection of classes written by designers and give it or let's say collection of classes written by designers, and we include that style sheet in our website and use those classes to style it better. Even you can modify the classes too. So if, say, for instance, you did not like the styling of few classes, then you can go ahead and add your custom classes. But always remember, do not modify the main file. Remember, this rule applies to any file which you download. Whatever the file you download, what you're supposed to do is, like, use the original. Okay, if you want to make any changes to the original, just take a new, like, for instance, if it's a styles, let's say, so take a new style sheet and apply those changes. And yesterday we have seen the styles always follow an order. Like, I have multiple style sheets, let's say. Okay, multiple style sheets. So first style sheet, then second style sheet, then let's say third, and so on. Okay, if this is the order of the style sheets, then this one will be given the most priority, and then this. Okay, this is the order. So always, whenever you download a file, make it the first style sheet. So I'll say this is a downloaded style sheet. So always remember, the first one will be the downloaded style sheet, whatever the style sheet you're downloading it from a third party, let's say. And this second, again, this is your custom style sheet, like whatever you write. So even this can be custom too. So as I told you yesterday, like, there can be multiple style sheets. Okay, so that is about external style sheets. So now let's jump into Twitter Bootstrap.